वीडियो नंबर 2, एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग। क्या बोल रहा है? In the following questions, some issues are provided to you. You have to remark the appropriate answer logically that can be taken in such circumstances. क्या बोल रहा है? In a situation where a friend gets all the attention in your group, what would be the most emotionally intelligent response? Compete unnecessarily, ये गलत होगा. Be genuinely happy and support them, ये सही होगा. Feel jealous, ये भी गलत होगा. Spread rumors, ये भी गलत होगा. ठीक है. Be genuinely happy and support them. ठीक है. Next. Some social issues, problem and their solution is provided to you as a statement. You have to mark the logical action that can be taken under these conditions. You are at a professional conference where you are trying to network and build business relationships. During a networking lunch, you find yourself at a table with several industry leaders, including someone you have been hoping to meet for months. However, also at the table is a colleague from your company who tends to dominate conversations, interrupt others, and make inappropriate jokes. You can see that the industry leaders are becoming uncomfortable with your colleagues' behavior, and you are worried that your company's reputation might be affected. You also don't want to embarrass your colleague publicly, but you need to salvage the networking opportunity. What would be the most socially intelligent approach? देखिए क्या होगा. Publicly address your colleagues' behavior by firmly telling them to let others speak and keep their comments professional, ये गलत होगा. Subtly redirect conversation when your colleague interrupts. Ask thoughtful questions to other attendees and later privately discuss professional networking etiquette with your colleague. ये perfect होगा. ठीक है. ये excuse yourself from the table and network elsewhere, ये गलत होगा. Remain silent and hope that industry leaders will understand that your colleague doesn't present your company, ये भी गलत होगा. Next. तीसरा नंबर क्या बोल रहा है. फिलोसफर, morality that depends entirely on religion is fragile because it collapses when faith is questioned. Which of the following best supports this view? Secular laws are mainly more widely accepted than religious rules. ये सही नहीं है, ये कहा नहीं जा सकता. People often behave ethically even without religious beliefs. ये सही है. देखिए अगर मान लीजिए मोरलिटी डैट रिलीजन पे डिपेंड करता है, तो ऐसा भी है कि अगर रिलीजन ना भी हो, अगर पीपुल ऑफन बिहेव एथिकली इवन विदाउट रिलीजियस बिलीव, अगर रिलीजियस बिलीव नहीं भी रहे फिर भी वो नैतिक की तरह एथिकली बिहेव करते हैं पीपुल. रिलीजन प्रोवाइड फाउंडेशन फॉर कम्युनिटी वैल्यू, ये भी उतना सही नहीं है. ठीक है. यही एक परफेक्ट गुजारा है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट. The government has decided to privatize all public sector banks. It will improve efficiency. इसकी गारंटी नहीं है. It will reduce employment security. ये जरूर definitely होगा. तो only judgment 2 follows. Next. क्या बोल रहा है. A retail company's inventory manager consistently orders too much stock during seasonal periods, leading to significant markdowns and storage costs. When questioned, the manager says they better safe than sorry and always order the maximum amount to avoid stock outs, even though sales data shows the consistent over ordering. What decision making improvements should be implemented? Reduce order quantity by 20% across all products. ये कैसे कह सकते हैं? Implement demand forecasting models based on historical sales data and market trends. ये एकदम परफेक्ट है. हायर ये स्टेटमेंट के हिसाब से ये सही नहीं है. ठीक है. स्विच टू जस्ट इन टाइम इन्वेंट्री मैनेजमेंट, ये भी पॉसिबल नहीं है. क्लियर. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब.